The UV Care Dry Pure Dehumidifier and Air Cleaner effectively eliminates excessive moisture caused by high humidity levels in your home, resulting in a drier and more comfortable indoor environment. Before we start, here are a few reminders. Keep in mind that the product operates at temperatures from 5 to 35 degrees Celsius. Avoid using the product outside this temperature range, for water may freeze inside the product, or the product may overheat. Also, the product may slightly increase the room temperature. It is recommended to wait for 24 hours after unboxing your unit and deciding on its placement before plugging it in and using the unit. Letting the compressor oil settle before turning on the unit is crucial to avoid performance issues. Let's start dehumidifying. Plug in the unit to a 220-volt power outlet to start. Press power to turn on the unit. Next, set your desired mode. This unit has 3 modes. First, there's auto. In this setting, the Humi-Set light indicator will be turned on. Once the room reaches the desired humidity level, the dehumidifier will automatically cycle on and off to maintain the level. Both the fan speed and the humidity percentage can be adjusted under this mode. Continuous dry. The dehumidifier will continuously operate, even if the desired humidity level has been reached.
The fan speed can be adjusted, while the humidity percentage cannot be adjusted under this mode. Switch to sleep mode by pressing the mode button for 3 to 5 seconds. In this setting, all the control panel lights will be turned off except for power and sleep. Fan speed will automatically be set to low. The fan speed cannot be adjusted under this mode. Meanwhile, the humidity percentage can be adjusted.
Humi-Set. The display will show the current humidity level between the range of 30% to 80%. Press the Humi-Set button to adjust your desired humidity level in increments of 5%. Fan speed. Press the fan speed button to select either a high or low speed.
Speed can also be set in auto mode. To set the time setting, press the timer button, then use the Humi-Set button to set it from 1 to 24 hours. The timer function allows you to set the product to automatically shut off after a fixed amount of time.
Temperature display. To view the room's real-time ambient temperature, press the Humi-Set button for 3 seconds. Lock. Long press the lock button for 5 seconds to activate or inactivate this setting. When the lock button is activated, all other buttons will not work. Turning off the unit. Press power to turn off the unit. The control panel will turn off, and the compressor will stop working immediately. The fan will shut down after a 30-second delay. Please make sure that the fan has completely shut down before unplugging the unit. Now, you can effectively use your UV Care Dry Pure Dehumidifier and Air Cleaner to reduce humidity and improve air quality in your home.